Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. Once, he means Gandhiji had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Conference means a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. So he went to England to attend a very important meeting. King George of England gave a reception. He gave a big party to receive these people coming from all over the world in this conference. To the participants of the conference at his palace, King George has given a reception to all the participants. One who wants to participate are called as participants in that meeting at his palace. Palace means where the king lives. Mahal. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. Nowadays, in big parties, there are dress code. So, in past also, people have to wear a particular type of dress for the meetings. At that time, England ruled over India. It was before our freedom. England ruled over India. This is the lesson about Gandhiji, and this paragraph shows that Gandhiji went to England before India got free. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Gandhiji said it very clearly that he will not change his style of dress. He will wear only his dhoti and shawl. That he would be dressed in his usual way. Usual means always he wore dhoti and shawl. Even when visiting the King of England. So what he is visiting the King of England, he will not change his dressing style. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji represented the people of India, and the Indians were very poor at that time. So he would wear the dress of the people of India only. Gandhiji was not bothered by the style of dress the British approved of. He did not even think to wear the style of the dress of British. So long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. मीन्स गांधी जी ने तो कसम ही खा ली थी कि वो जब तक हमारी कंट्री पुअर रहेगी जब तक मैं अच्छे कपड़े नहीं पहनूंगा. सो ही डिड नॉट थिंक अबाउट ब्रिटिशर्स. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception. The great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. Finally, what happened? The king had to welcome at his reception. The king was present at the reception welcoming Gandhiji in his usual dress. What was his usual dress? Simple loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Extravagantly means in a way that cost a lot of money. The king dressed a very costly dress. जाहिर है किंग है तो ड्रेस कैसी होगी किंग की? वेरी कॉस्टली. गांधीजी वॉज आस्क्ड whether he had enough clothes on for the meeting with the king. गांधी जी से पूछा गया क्या उनके पास मीटिंग के लिए इनफ क्लोथ्स नहीं थे, लेकिन व्हाट डिड ही रिप्लाइड? गांधी जी रिप्लाइड दैट द किंग हैड इनफ क्लोथ्स ऑन फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम। गांधी जी ने कहा हम दोनों के लिए ही किंग के पास में बहुत से कपड़े हैं। थोड़ा सा मजाक किया। Millions of poor people in India felt very happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Because of this, all the Indians were very happy. They were happy with Gandhiji that he dressed in only dhoti and shawl like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, in the beginning of the lesson we have learned that Gandhiji solved every problem without any violence. So Mahatma Gandhi also solved this problem without any violence. He had millions of staunch followers. Followers means उनके मानने वाले. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. गांधी जी शोड ऑल द सप्रेस्ड मीन्स जिन पर जुल्म होता है. गांधी जी शोड ऑल द सप्रेस्ड पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड. गांधी जी ने पूरी दुनिया को एक मिसाल दी, सत्याग्रह का नया रास्ता बताया. न्यू पाथ मीन्स नया रास्ता. सत्याग्रह टू फाइट नॉन वायलेंटली. ही इज रिमेंबर्ड फॉर हिज ग्रेटनेस नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट इन ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Yes, it is correct. Gandhiji is remembered for his greatness, Mahanta, not only in India but he is remembered all over the world. Let us see some meanings. Iron will, strong determination. Conference, a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. Bothered, worried. Extravagantly, in a way that cost a lot of money. Staunch followers, people who were firm and loyal in following
Students,
him.
here is your homework. Number 1, write the meaning of the following with the help of the passage. A man of iron will. Number 2, loincloth. Number 3, non-violence. Listen again. Write the meaning of the following with the help of the passage. Number 1 is a man of iron will. 2, loincloth. 3, non-violence. Number 2, from the passage, find the bigger words that include the words given here. Number 1 is loving. Number 2, fashion. Number 3, women. Number 4, great. And students, you have to write down at least 10 sentences about Gandhiji. Search on and make 10 sentences at least.